right, today we're gonna bring an RGB light starfish pool light. All right, this is for above ground pools or pretty much any kind of pool you want. This has a connection. We're gonna open it up and see what you get. So let's go ahead and open up. Now this is waterproof, and you're gonna be able to control it with your phone if you want. That's an option. All right, so let's go see what you get when you get some of this. You get the actual system itself. All right. You get a control, and this is perfect. This is a plus. This is in case you don't want to use the application. You get the control. You get a tie downs, and if you want magnets, you could set up magnets for behind the actual system too. Now on the other end, you get the shape of the star. So you could set this up as an option. So we are going to set it up because we want to see it turned on. So let's go ahead and set it up and plug it in. What I like about this, it has a lot of slack, and it's all hidden in here. So if you don't want to use the entire connection to connect this plug, you can always save the rest of it in there. But I like this. This is a plus. I haven't seen it in any of the actual RGB lighting. So let's take a look at the control itself. So I'm going to change the colors to different colors. If you guys can see it, I'm just changing it, gliding, and I'm going to make it brighter. All right. And this is like the lighting effects. Just by gliding, you could do music. If you have music, you could do music. You could change it to different tones. You could put timer, but this is one of the best things I like, just changing the lighting, and then go to white if you want. You could do the phone app, RGB lighting, change it to any color you want, soft music. We'll put up music. Look at the music. Stop it. Go back to. Oops. Go back to effects. You can change it to any color you want. That's the actual phone app.